the last script type that we're going to be looking at is the bundle installation script. So this provides events that allow us to interact with the installation, update, and uninstallation of a particular bundle. Now, I don't foresee you using this regularly, or it'll be very rarely that you're going to use this, but it is important to know that you have this. So if you are able to create a bundle, then obviously you would use a script for the installation, or if you update your bundle, or if you uninstall your bundle. The bundle has got the following event handlers. So you've got a before install event handler. So you can, before you install it, this is what needs to be updated, saved, or edited in NetSuite's database. You have an after install, a before update, an after update, and a before uninstall. So obviously a before uninstall, for example, could be you need to remove certain records before you uninstall the bundle. As I say, I don't foresee you using this on a regular basis, but it is important to know that this is available to you should you be building bundles.